Hello, Farmington community. This is Dr. Gibbs here to share some additional information about Proposition F, which is part of the upcoming ballot measures that will extend our debt service levy, resulting in a no yearly tax rate increase for taxpayers. The extension of the levy will keep our debt service levy the same at 90 cents, yet it will generate over $48 million in bond funds for the purpose of building renovations and expansion all across the district. The first area I want to show you today is our high school cafeteria. Here at FHS, our cafeteria is at the heart of the school. Our 1,300 students utilize this space daily for lunchtime, group meetings, and other activities. This space serves us well, but we want to enhance the space to make it more inviting and useful for our students. With the classroom expansion highlighted in a separate video, it will provide the opportunity for us to expand this cafeteria space. This expansion will assist us with the crowding that occurs during some of our lunch shifts and give us extra space to create a more inviting and engaging environment that mimics what our students will experience as they move beyond high school to the college setting. The second cafeteria that would undergo improvements as part of the bond issue would be at Farmington Middle School. As part of this renovation, we will be expanding the space and increasing the functionality. The renovation would allow us to open up the back corners to create a larger eating area for our students, thus minimizing the crowding you can see that is often present during our various lunch shifts. Another important improvement would be revamping the serving line area to create a new entrance to separate this from the exit, which would in turn create a much better flow for our middle school cafeteria. As always, I appreciate your time viewing these informational videos. If you have questions about these projects or any other projects, be sure to use the contact form on our website and reach out to us. Thank you.